Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee Summit 4xe in velvet red pearl with head-up display, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross path detection, tow package, heated and ventilated front seats, night vision with pedestrian and animal detection, 16,000 miles on the odometer, Quadro lift air suspension, navigation, remote start system, heated second row seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number P47171.